Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect your IFX broker to MetaTrader 5. And for this, first of all, you need to have an account. So I created a real account right here, and you can do exactly the same by clicking here on open account. Do the following steps, because once you created a account, they send the login and the passwords to your email address. So make sure that you receive that. And after that, you can start with going to MetaTrader 5. So we click on MetaTrader 5, MT5 for Windows right there. And then we click here on download MT5. Then we click on IFX broker MT5. Then we do yes again. Next, and now he is downloading the MetaTrader 5 setup for IFX brokers. And then right now we can start right here on finish. So we do that. And then he will open the MetaTrader 5. So right here, the list of companies is already standing right here. So we do next now. And then from here, we click on connect with an existing trading account. Then we go to our email. And there we receive the login and the password. So what we're gonna do now is we copy paste the MT5 login right here. And then we copy paste, so Control C and Control V right here, the password, and then we do finish. And right now, there it is. We just logged in to our IFX brokers MT5. So this is seriously how easy it is. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.